Hello everyone. So I'm here in the front of Michael's and this gorgeous entrance, but it's almost a shock because we haven't even come through Halloween. I think this is the lowest price I've seen on these 12 by 12 paper pads in a very long time. However, of course, this is like the fall collection, but some really pretty prints in here too that don't just need to be used for fall. Of course, this is cute. So we went through a really in-depth view of all the Halloween goodies just a few days ago, and then I was walking along this. I wasn't going to really focus on Halloween, so I'm really excited to see that there are all these beautiful Christmas picks. Does anyone have a specific theme this year in mind for their Christmas decor? There are these little pom-poms as well. Quite shimmery and they're pliable. The disco balls are really trending. Look at these little gnomes. These are gorgeous. And bows are very in this year as well, so lots of bows everywhere. Oh wow, we can make these. It's just a little foam ball in here. Some really beautiful wreaths. Now these floral picks or flowers are like a velvety touch, kind of similar to the ones we spotted at Dollar Tree. This has like a traditional but whimsical feel to them. There's the pink bows, which are really trendy this year. All bows are trendy. Beautiful bauble wreaths, which I know a lot of you make. The trees are fully staged here at Michael's, and I just have to share with you that they have one that's playing music back here and it's changing lights. It's doing some really fun things, but also that there are a ton of flocked trees here. They have tall, skinny ones that are just like regular greenery, and then here's a really nice flocked pencil tree. Do you hear the music? It's coming from the tree. I don't know if it would drive you bonkers or be soothing, but it's even changing all sorts of colors. Look how it is. I don't know if it showcases well in video. So this is the newer type of tree now. They have it made so real versus the traditional, I don't even know what to call it. The branches? Yeah, the branches or I don't know what they're called off the pine trees. It's crazy how they've come so far. The cutest, they have some really nice ornaments this year that I don't remember seeing last year. A lot of stuffy based items, so if you are looking to do a whimsical swag or wreath, they have a nice variety. Now, let's talk a little bit about the disco balls. You can find these at Dollar Tree, not as large as this, but the small ones, for a fraction of the price. And I'll be sure to share that with you so that you know to keep an eye out. Are these glass? Oh, I wish these were glass. Bit pricey for not glass. I don't know. This should be glass, in my opinion. What do you think? I'm not paying this for plastic, that's for sure. Even Dollarama has something similar to this. These are all plastic. This is cute. Okay, I'll give them that. I just find some of their stuff is just obnoxious with their pricing here. Michael's, if you're listening, you have to come down in price so that we buy your stuff. Otherwise, I mean, yeah, you'll sell a couple pieces here and there, but you'd sell more if the price was right. Like these here, let's see. No, I can find this at Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh. So this year, green, and specifically like this muted green, is really in, very trendy. I love this actually with the trim. Could use this in my crafts, but I don't need any more ribbon. So this is I'm sure the greens are going to be everywhere this year. Specifically, this muted green, not the hunter green, not these colors and stuff, but this is cute as well. This is green striped. I love the plaid one there too. Anyways, should not be in this aisle, but I have to share with you guys. But I'm always tempted by ribbon. I don't know why. It's not even like I need any or use it regularly. I just love it. Do you gravitate to something in the store? It's paper and ribbon for some odd reason. I'm like, oh, I could use this. How cute. It's like a twine, but it's thicker. I think these are new this year, and they're wood beads. So pretty. Look, see more bows. Bows are so trendy. This would be something you can make with all the ribbon that I own. And then they have lots of baubles, clear baubles and gold and silver. Look, here's some more. Oh, I love this. The stars are gorgeous. That would look really pretty. So they have little disco balls. Very glam. Who has a glam Christmas set up? There's colorful disco balls. And then you have some of your muted pinks and golds. This would be cute for New Year's. So many more wreaths here as well. Some of them are repeats from the back ones. I'm really happy because in previous years we don't normally see the whimsical things. So I know they're different, not your traditional colors, but for those who do enjoy decorating with it, it's nice to have options. Right here are the little snowmen and the gingerbread house and just things that are up a little bit higher that I can't reach, but we have options this year and that makes me happy. Lots of pink is in as well, and the muted, I guess like a turquoise or blue green. Look at this, how cute. We could totally make something like this using Dollar Tree items. It's large scaled, but wood beads. So if you're doing a gingerbread theme, then you know these pillows here are available, or stuffies, I'm not sure what to call them. And then they have these little candy cane decor pieces. I love them. Oh, and this is really nice. Now we could totally manipulate something like this and DIY it using the little wooden houses from Dollar Tree or Dollarama. Who's DIYing? Who's already started or planning? And this you can do with poster board. It isn't very heavy. Lots of snow globes with music this year. Looks like it's quite popular. I was just at Marshall's and they had so many. And little cubes from Dollar Tree can make the advent calendar. Like this one here. I hope you enjoyed walking through Michael's with me today. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now. Summer is ended. The leaves are turning brown. Soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.